let's do an exercise about Booleans and a little bit about conditionals we just learned in the previous lesson. Create a program and store your age in a variable. Then ask the user for his age and print whether he's older than you, he's younger than you, or you two have the same age. So good luck and come back here when you finish the exercise. Let's start by creating a variable called age, which is going to be my age. In this case, I'm 32 years old. Now let's get the user's age. Type your age. Don't forget to convert it to, in this case, integer, because no one says I'm 25.7, right? So it must be an integer. Now let's start our if statement. So if user age is greater than, let's use my age. It's going to be better. So here we use colon, and then it's going to make the indentation for us. So if this is true, I'm going to print, you're older than me. Let's open a new condition here, which would be the user age is equal to my age. In this case, let's write we are the same age. If none of those conditions are met, we can just use else. And we can write you're younger than me. Let's save it and make some tests. So let's run it. So let's begin with 25. You're younger than me. Cool. Let's try it again. Now, I'm gonna put 40. And now the program says you're older than me. Now let's try it with the same age. And the program says we are the same age. So there you have the solution for this exercise. Of course, it would be much better if our age wasn't static. The way I did it, when I turned 33, I'm gonna have to update the program, which is not good. So we would have to use a date function, which is something we're going to learn later in the course. For now, I hope you like this exercise, and I'll see you in the next video.